In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to create a screencast using the Snagit for Windows application. And this should be installed on the Genius desktop. You should see a shortcut to it somewhere on the desktop. If not, it might be in the taskbar, or you may need to click the Start button and search Programs. I've got my window open here that I want to record, and I'm going to launch Snagit from my taskbar. And what happens when you launch Snagit is you get this little pop-up window that can be placed anywhere around the edge of your desktop. So I like to keep it up here at the top, but you can put it wherever you want. And if I click this little menu for profiles, I want to pick the video profile, and it's going to allow me to select a capture area. And it's showing me right now how to do that. I'm going to say got it. And I'm going to pick my current window here. So I'm just going to drag and select. And then what I need to do is select which audio device I want to record with. So you want to make sure that you've got the blue Nessie microphone selected. In my case, I'm using my Yeti microphone, so I'm going to make sure that's the one I've got. System audio is turned off, although I can turn that on there. This tells me my window size. And now I'm going to go ahead and click record. I'm going to get a countdown. And now I'm recording everything that's happening inside of this window in addition to my audio. You can see that little microphone level going up and down as I'm talking. And I could demonstrate, for example, how to launch a variety of different Chrome apps. Or I could go to the Chrome Web Store. And when you're finished with your video, you might want to wait just a couple of seconds. I'm going to go ahead and hit the stop button here to finish recording. And it's going to open that up in the Snagit editor. Now, this isn't a full-featured editor. For that, you'd want to use Camtasia, which gives you a lot more control over how you not only trim that video, but different annotations and different effects that you can add. This is only going to allow you to clip video from the beginning or end, really, of your screencast. So here I've got the playhead. I can drag this playhead anywhere in my recording. And I can also, if I grab the red section of that playhead, let's see if I can get this to work here. I can drag that out and select a portion in blue, and I can cut that and trim my video from the beginning. I could also go to the end here. And if I want to trim off the end, I can select the end and hit cut as well. And so you're able to trim tiny pieces off of the beginning and end of that video clip. Now, when you're finished, there are a variety of different ways that you can export your project. There's screencast.com. There might be an option to upload to YouTube or Google Drive, but what I suggest is to go to File, go to Save As, and just save this as a standard format. It's going to save it as an MP4, so I'm going to call this Screencast Demo, and you can name yours whatever you'd like, and then save it to your desktop. And then that way, now that I've got that video saved to my desktop, I can then upload this to Google Drive or attach it to an email message or however I would like to export it. So that is a quick overview of how to record your screen using the Snagit Windows application.